It's a Tuesday night, and you're scrolling through how I make 5K a month for my job type videos. They're all course sellers. They're all trying to sell you something. None of them have a real number you can verify. But she does, and she's an ICU nurse. I found an ICU nurse who made one PDF on her phone in the break room and sold it 32,000 times. I've got the public proof, which I'll show you, and she's earning $5,200 a month online and not at the hospital. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how she did it. And if you came here for a quit your job in 30 days fantasy, you can close this tab. She didn't quit. In fact, she kept her hospital job. 5 years on cardiac, neuro, and trauma ICU floors, CCRN certified, she's a trauma responder. She kept it all through the entire process, through every shift, every code, every single sale that hit her storefront. And yes, I'm going to spend this video on an ICU nurse and a PDF, but stay with me. Because the same kind of thing she sold is sitting on your laptop right now, and you haven't even seen it as a product. That's the part that matters. Her name's on a real store with a real sales counter. Hers happened to be ICU notes. Yours could be something else. And I'll tell you exactly what yours is before this video is over. So here's where she started. Her name is Lauren Douglas. She was a brand new ICU grad, her first month on the floor. She was working in the cardiac unit. You know, the kind of shift where you're checking drips and codes and reading monitors you've never seen patterns on before. And the more senior nurses are moving 10 times faster than you, and you're just trying to keep up and not kill anyone on a Tuesday night. She went looking for good visual study notes for new ICU nurses, but there weren't any. Or there were, and they were ugly Xerox packets from 1998 that read like textbooks with extra words. Same problem every new ICU nurse had since the unit was invented. So she made her own, on her phone, in between shifts. She did it in the break room at 3 in the morning. It's color-coded and it's visual. The kind of one-page reference you can actually look at when a patient is crashing and your brain is running at 20%. She didn't put it together as a product. She made it because she needed it. And that's the process, but hold that thought because we're going to come back to it 3 or more times before this video is over. A few months in, a coworker asked her for a copy. And then another one. Then someone on a different floor heard about it and asked her too. Then someone in a Facebook group for new ICU nurses asked her if she'd ever thought about listing it. Just list it as a thing a stranger could buy. And that's exactly what she did as a one-off, just to see what would happen. And here's what happened in the first 60 days. She listed it for about $75. Strangers were typing in ICU study notes for new grads into the search bar and found her listing. Her first 50 to 100 sales hit between night shifts. That's somewhere between $3,700 and $7,500 in just 2 months. All from a PDF she made for herself. Now take a look at the screen. That's her actual personal website. It's at scrublifenotes.com. The new to ICU 2.0 listing is right at the top. She's a real working ICU nurse with a real working product and a real URL you can type into the browser after this video. She still kept her hospital job. She still ran cardiac and trauma shifts. The product sold itself in the background while she was at work saving people's lives. Quick check before we go further. What's the boring skill you've already mastered at your day job? Drop it in the comments. Don't overthink it, just drop it below. It's the thing you're so good at, you've stopped noticing it. The thing your coworkers ask you about because nobody else on the floor or in the office knows the answer the way you do. When I worked at Emitech in Waukegan, the only window I could see was 30 cubicles away, and a giant pine tree covered most of it. Some days, I didn't know if it was either raining or snowing outside. I rebuilt the same worksheet for 3 different managers in 18 months, and I never once stopped to think that that spreadsheet was my thing. She had the same blind spot. She made the visual notes because she needed them. It took her longer than it should have to realize the notes were the product. That's the mistake I want you to skip. The thing you've been doing for free for years is the thing you should be selling. Now before I keep going, let me call out 3 things you're probably already thinking. You're thinking, I'm not in healthcare. This doesn't apply to me. Or she's a nurse with credentials. I don't have a niche audience to sell to. Or you might be thinking, that platform is for crafts and earrings. I'm not making physical products. You've been thinking those 3 things for a while, and you're partially right. There's a reason you keep thinking them. They're the reason why every I found someone making 5K video didn't stick the way you needed it to. And here's why none of those are the actual problem. Every working adult has that same kind of document. There's a checklist you've explained to 3 different new hires this year. There's a spreadsheet you keep in your downloads folder that you DM to coworkers when they ask, hey, do you have that thing? There is a process you've written down in your head and walk someone through at least 5 times this quarter. The skill you've stopped seeing as a skill is your thing. And here's what's at stake if nothing changes. Another Tuesday night opening how I make 5K videos and closing them at 9:47, having learned nothing. Another quarter of telling yourself you don't have a niche, you don't have credentials, or you don't have an audience. Another year of rebuilding the same document for coworkers and watching strangers charge $75 for less. And here's step 2 of the process. Before she listed the PDF, she just cleaned it up. She removed anything hospital specific, including internal codes and floor naming conventions. She removed anything that came close to a confidentiality issue. What stayed was the universal visual frameworks, the color-coded patterns, the one-page reference a new ICU nurse anywhere in the country could use on their first shift, whether they worked in Fairfax or Phoenix or even rural Kentucky. It took her less than 4 hours on a Saturday afternoon while sitting at the kitchen table. The asset was already on her laptop. She didn't have to make anything new, she just had to take out the parts that only applied to her hospital. This is the step that most adults skip. You have to take the thing that already lives in your work and remove the parts that only make sense at your company. The universal frameworks are what strangers will pay for. The company-specific stuff is what gets you in trouble and what strangers don't really care about anyway. Now, step 3 is next. While I walk you through it, the worksheet I'm building with you tonight is at notes.platformproof.com. Drop your email if you want it sent over while we keep going. And the best part about it is the same email unlocks every other video's worksheet too. Now, I've been exactly where you are, sitting in bed on your laptop. The first time I ever made real money from a piece of content, I made $21,000 from one YouTube video. And I wasn't a creator. I was just a working adult who recognized a thing I'd already been doing for free. Same as Lauren, same as you probably. Sitting on a document you've already put together 3 times for coworkers. I'd been making instructional videos for over a year. I'd get 20 views, 50 views, or 100 views on a good day. I took the same exact information and explained it in a way I would to a friend across the table. That one video hit 9.4 million impressions. It's the same skill, same person at the same desk, just packaged differently. She did that with her notes. I did that with a video. You could do it with what you already have on your laptop. Seeing what you already have is the most important part. Now, step 3, the listing. Lauren had 0 audience the day she put that PDF up. No following, no email list, and no TikTok. She listed on a marketplace that already had search demand for ICU study notes. Strangers typing in the problem they were searching for found her listing because the words in her title matched what they were looking for. She earned her first 50 sales in 60 days, and no social media was required, no content schedule, and no DM funnel. Just a listing and a place where strangers were already searching. Now take a look at this. That's her actual store on the screen. 32,800 sales, 3,400 reviews. She even has a star seller badge in the corner, and she's been on the platform for about 5 years. The numbers are not in a course seller slide. They're on a public marketplace page you could pull up on your phone right now when this video is over. This is the part that gurus skip. They tell you to build an audience first, but she didn't. The audience came after the listing and not before. The first 30 sales came from one search alone. The bigger thing started after she had a single follower. Where do strangers already search for what you know? That's the platform you list on, not the one with the loudest creators, the one where people are already looking for your kind of help. Now, if you want to see the same idea on someone else in a different job, there's a card popping up on the top right. It's called, I accidentally found a boring skill that makes $3K per month. It's the same kind of breakdown. It's a different working adult and a different boring skill. Click that one when you're done. Turning your boring skill into online money gets easier to understand when you see it on a second person in a different field. Now step 4, and this is the one the working adult doing this in 2026 needs to hear. She made this for herself first, not as a product, not as a side hustle, not as something to sell. She made it as a thing she needed in the break room at 3 in the morning on the cardiac floor. And realizing other ICU nurses needing it too came after that. But the asset existed before she ever thought about selling it. She was the customer. The stranger showed up running the same search. You are your own first customer. Yeah, she sells on Etsy. That is where the 32,800 sales actually happened, and good for her. The same works for Gumroad, which is where I would actually put it. I'd put it on Gumroad because you get access to the customer's email address, which matters because you keep selling them more stuff later, and you don't have to pay Etsy sales every single time you make one. Now take a look at the screen. On the left, a seller dashboard from the marketplace she's on. The customer email field is blurred, abstracted, and owned by the platform. On the right, a Gumroad seller dashboard. You get customer email, name, purchase history, all of it's yours, and exportable. That is the only thing that matters. The platform she uses owns her customers' relationships. Every single one of her 32,000 buyers belongs to the marketplace first and to her second. If the marketplace changes the rules tomorrow and she has her own email list, she's not starting over from zero. That's the way Gumroad works. You list, you sell, and you keep the email. It's the same product, the same math, it's just different ownership. The customer is actually yours. The next product you launch goes to a list you actually have access to. So when I tell you to do this, I'm not telling you to build a shop on the same marketplace she's built on. I'm telling you to take her exact process and put it on a platform where the customer list belongs to you. The biggest drawback of doing it on Gumroad is that Gumroad does not have built-in search demand the way that other marketplaces do. You'll need to go where your audience is already hanging out. That could be on Reddit, LinkedIn, Facebook groups, or even TikTok. You need to show up consistently, answer questions, and solve problems. People will buy from you after they've seen you help 3 or 4 different times. And after that, the email list does the work. This trade is real, and the ownership is more than worth it. Now look, the hardest part of making money online as a working adult in 2026 is not picking the platform. The hardest part is accepting that the asset you've already put together for yourself is the product. There is no second move. Noticing the thing in front of you is the entire job. Now, the gurus made online income mean audience building, but it doesn't. She had 0 audience the day she listed her PDF. She had 0 followers, 0 email list, and her first sales came from the strangers looking for a solution to their problem. The audience showed up after and not before. The course sellers telling you to grow on TikTok for 6 months before you list anything are selling you a problem you don't really have. Now, if you've been telling yourself you need to build the following first, you've been going after the wrong thing. You don't need to build the following. You need the document and the listing. The audience is what happens after the proof starts and not before. Lauren proves this order. Proof first, audience second. Now, here's step 5 and what comes next. She earned her first 100 sales while still working at the hospital. That alone hit over $5,000 a month at its peak. That's a real number with a real working ICU nurse on a real cardiac floor. And here's what happened next. She kept listing. She added more notes, a workbook, and eventually her flagship product. It's called New to ICU 2.0, a visual guide to critical care nursing. And she sold it for $75. She's now sold over 32,000 copies of her digital product. She has a Star Seller badge, and she's been on the platform for 5 years. The University of North Carolina School of Nursing gave her the Outstanding Alumni Nurse Innovator Award in 2023. Nurse Fern interviewed her on her podcast you could pull up after this video at nursefern.com. There's a personal site at scrublifenotes.com, and she still works in nursing, just on her own terms now. Now, take a look at the screen. We've got the UNC alumni page, the Nurse Innovator Award 2023, and a public record. Again, both are there if you want to check the math and check the websites for yourself. The $5,200 a month she earned while still on the unit, that's the door. What came next is what's behind the door, but you don't get there without seeing what you have first. Real quick, if you want the full playbook for picking the right document, cleaning it up, and writing the listing so strangers can find it, that's all inside of Offer Engine. It's just $17, and it's the second link in the description. So here's what you're going to do. It's not copy Lauren, it's not make ICU study notes, it's not even list on the same marketplace she's on. What you're going to do is you're going to find your Lauren document, the one you have already put together 3 times for coworkers because they keep asking. It could be the checklist, the spreadsheet, the one-pager, or even a flowchart. The thing that is so easy for you, it stopped feeling like work. Again, remove the company-specific parts. Keep what works anywhere and list it on Gumroad. Write 3 sentences about what it does and who it's for. Show up where your buyers are already hanging out, like Reddit, LinkedIn, or TikTok. Post consistently, and don't worry about followers, likes, or subscribers. That's it. That's the entire process. No course, no audience, and don't quit. And I know what this sounds like. I'm telling you the answer to how do I make money online is a PDF you already have on your laptop. But the proof is on the screen and the math is real. And the working ICU nurse who did it is somewhere on a cardiac floor tonight, probably running a code with 32,000 sales just humming in the background. So you walk in tonight scrolling, how do I make 5K online videos? You walk out with a real piece of proof. An ICU nurse with a verifiable storefront and a verifiable award. And one exact process you could start this weekend. You walk out knowing that the document you have already put together for yourself is the asset. That seeing what you already have is the whole thing. that you don't need to quit your job, buy a course, or build an audience first. You are not someone searching how to make money online anymore. You are someone with a Lorem document sitting on your laptop and a 60-day plan to put it where strangers can find it. And one more thing to think about. If $5,200 a month is the early goal, what's the bigger goal waiting behind it? What about years 3 or even year 5? But that's a different video. It's what step 5 turns into once you stop calling the first PDF a side hustle and start calling it the start of something you own. If you've watched this far, you are who I built this channel for. My goal with Platform Proof is to help 1 million working adults make their first $3,000 online with the skills they already have. If you want the version of this video where I accidentally found a boring skill that makes $3K, it's linked in the description. It's just below this video's worksheet. And comment Proof Builder if you stayed until the end and you're going to make your first $3,000 with the skills you already own. And now go build the damn thing.